Hello, my amazing students. Welcome to Mrs. Buckner's English Language class. For this video, we are going to be looking at error recognition. Have you ever read a sentence and wondered what was it trying to say? Have you ever seen a word that is incorrectly used in the context of a sentence? The subject not so agreeing with the verb? A metaphor that simply doesn't make any form of sense? I am sure you have seen those sentences. Well, I will explain to you what this skill is called. What is error recognition? Error recognition refers to the ability to recognize or detect the presence of an error and being able to correct it. Simple, isn't it? Here are 5 major types of errors that often occur in sentences. They are redundancy, misused metaphors or mixed metaphors, cliches, error in diction, and incorrect grammar. Number 1, redundancy. Redundancy is the repetition of meaning in an expression or the inclusion of unnecessary words, which results in a sentence being too wordy. For example, he was killed in a fatal accident. The word fatal suggests that someone has died. So it would be totally unnecessary to have killed and fatal in the same sentence. Some other examples of redundancy are reverse back, repeat again, refund back, and there are many others. Number 2, mixed or misused metaphor. Mixed metaphors are different metaphors occurring in the same sentence. It often results in a conflict of ideas, or it simply doesn't make sense. For example, he was a duck out of water. Now, this metaphor is a combination of rolls off a duck's back and fish out of water. Number 3, cliches. A cliche is an expression which is overused to the point where it loses its original meaning and initial effect. For example, the early bird catches the most worm, or time heals all wounds. Number 4, incorrect grammar. This is when the rules of grammar have not been correctly applied. This could be faulty subject-verb agreement, improper use of pronouns, incorrect placement of tenses, and so on. For example, Peter have no intention of helping me with my homework. Have should be replaced with has since Peter is singular. Number 5, faulty diction. This error occurs when a word is used that is not suitable for a particular context. Malapropism is an example of faulty diction. It is a humorous way of misusing a word. For example, students should be punished when they validate the school rules. It is evident that validate should be replaced with violate. Now I want you to take a look at these sentences and guess which error is in each sentence. Did you guess any of these correctly? Your answers are provided below. Now I want you to take a look at this sample CSEC English Language question on error recognition.